Only thing that's saving you
Sarà di examen la scia qua.
is a heart of a woman.
Hey, my bully babies, how you guys doing today? It's a real girl, Trust. On this day, I was getting ready for Cinco de Mayo. I had so much fun. I was so drunk, y'all. I had went out with my friend. We got tacos and drinks, and we was lit. Today, it's not about the wig, though, y'all. It's about the makeup. But I did get this wig from Believing Hair. On her website, I think the name of it is Brandy. I got it in a 24-inch and 180% density. Quick little review about the wig. I do love this wig. This is my favorite throw-on curly wig. Like, she eats down. Like, I had her for a good little minute. It's been like 2 years now, and she's still holding up. Like, she is very much tea. I love this wig. I know I did a little review on TikTok about the straight wig, saying it wasn't all that. But Dev, the curly wig eats down, y'all. It eats down. Y'all see that? No, for real. I'm so for real. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna talk too much through the hair portion. I'm gonna come back with the makeup, which is probably in like 2 seconds, because like I said, it was quick. Quick disclaimer, y'all. Excuse the faces I'm making in this video. I was in a rush, so I literally just threw on my camera. And I was like, let me get some content, honey, because this is, you know, I'm getting ready. Now, if you do want to see the full deets of this night, the vlog will be uploaded after this video. So make sure you stay tuned to watch that. If you're watching this video right now, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Make sure y'all comment. Keep my engagements up. Thank y'all. Right here, I'm just using my one size primer. I love this primer, y'all, but y'all got to make sure you rub it in real good. If not, it will roll up on you because of the texture or like what it's made with. Y'all, I used 3 foundations that day, and I don't know, you don't need 3 foundations, but I love to mix my foundations. Now, I did get all these foundations at Stepper Signs because they are high-end products. But yeah, y'all, I just kept blending. Like, I'm a blend queen. Like, one thing I'm gonna do is keep blending. Like, I never stop blending. Like, I'm gonna make sure all my lines is not see-through, and I don't know, child, I'm gonna keep blending until I can't blend no more. But yeah, I love all the foundations I'm using. NARS, I love NARS. I love the Dior. I told y'all about that in my Jamaican vlog. If you haven't watched that yet, go tune in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what you doing? Don't be scared to subscribe, y'all. I know some of y'all be silent watchers, but please subscribe. Thank you. Anyways, y'all. So now I'm just doing my contour. Oh, wait, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's go back. So I did do my concealer, but my camera ended up cutting off because I think it died or it overheated. I didn't realize because, like I said, y'all, I just threw that camera up. I wasn't paying attention. So, yeah, I used the Too Faced concealer. I'm going to put all that. You're going to see it in the video. Now I'm using my Hourglass. I think it's foundation. It's a foundation stick in the color Chestnut. Y'all, I love that product. It's so creamy. Like, usually I don't really do cream contour. I'm a powder girly. But lately, I've been eating the cream down. Y'all, I be so weak at myself in the faces I'm making. But, yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I just be blending. I'm blending. I'm going to keep blending until it's seamless, period. America. So, as y'all can see, I'm blending out my contour first before I blend out my concealer. I don't know. That's just how I work. Some people do it the other way. This is just what works for me. I love blending the darker colors first and then the lighter colors. One thing I can say, y'all, I'm very good at blending. Like, one thing I'm going to keep going in with the same brushes to make everything cohesive and smooth. Like, I had to edit a lot out of this video because I kept doing the same thing repeatedly. Like, I kept going back with the same brushes. Blend, 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 blend. Just keep blending. I promise y'all, like, even if y'all makeup trash, not saying that y'all makeup trash, but anyways, if y'all not good with makeup or whatever case may be, if you keep blending, it will look good. I'm telling you, just keep blending. And I don't know if y'all peep, like with my jawline, all my contour, I blend up. I always blend up, never down. Usually if you blend down, it can look real muddy. So I wouldn't blend down, I would blend up. I'm going in with my NARS concealer now. I'm still filling this concealer out. I don't know if I like it, to be honest. I feel like it's basic. Like, I wouldn't spend $42 on it again. Or is it 42? Maybe it's not 42. Maybe it's 32. It's one of those. I'm going to have all the prices up, so. Yeah, I wasn't into blush for a long time. And I truly regret that. Because now, blush eats down. It eats down. I love blush. Like, one thing I'm going to do is blush it up. Now, this day I did go a little heavy because I feel like when I watch my videos back, I do not be seeing blush. And I'm like, oh my God, I put so much. Like, I guess it just get washed out with me setting my face. But, y'all, make sure y'all use blush. Like, I know it can be intimidating, but just start off with a little bit and then gradually work your way up because blush is very much tea. Oh, yeah, let me shout out my sister because she told me she wanted a full detailed makeup tutorial. So, yeah. But, yeah, y'all, I'm just setting my face with setting powder by Laura Mercier. I love this powder, to be honest. I've been using this since I first started doing makeup. Setting powder can be intimidating because now if you use too much and you don't like brush it off right, it can make you look ashy or just very ghostly. But that's where face powder come in. When you dusting away your setting powder, you need to make sure you dusting all the setting powder off. Now I'm setting my contour with the bronzing powder from Fenty Beauty. I love this stuff, but I feel like I could go darker, but that's probably the delusion in me because I don't know why I be liking my face so dark. And then, like, I mean, I still got my tan from Jamaica, so I am pretty dark, but I definitely like my face to be darker, like, because obviously y'all know how I look without makeup. My face is, like, really, really light. Now, everything I use with cream, I set it with a powder. So now I'm going in with my powdered blush. Of course, by Juvia's Place. They have the best blushes, y'all.
Who has the problem?
Cause you got that deep for me. Real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching fading.
See, right here, y'all, I'm just taking my face powder and I'm brushing away. Well, honestly, I'm not brushing away. I'm, like setting everything in. Like, I'm tapping and I'm blending everything out. I'm not really brushing it away in the sense.
I know you want it, scheme it. I know you need it, drug it. You want it all, you don't I know. You need love, I need some too. Do you want this like it wants you? Know that booty don't do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, workable. I know you see this red racks on me. Now come and get high. 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. We'll be right back. Call me when you wanna get high. 20 man tunnel with the racks. I be P on my bag, double G's on my dash. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. When you wanna get you can't get no higher.
Right here, I'm just spraying my face with my setting spray. I definitely love locking in my look. Like, I feel like setting spray takes away that powdery look, just in case you have it. Some people don't have it, some people do. And make sure you clean that makeup out y'all nose, y'all. Like, after y'all do y'all makeup, please clean the makeup out your nose. Like, I can see the makeup in your nose. Clean your nose. I'm just saying, I just want to remind y'all. Because I used to do it too. I used to have just powder sitting on my nose here. Terrible. Yeah, I was trying out this lip gloss I got from the TikTok shop Made by Mitchell. His Bleam lip gloss. To be honest, it ain't as, like, opaque, I think that's the word, as people made it seem on TikTok. I don't think it's all that, but it's cool. It's cute, but it ain't, like, it ain't popping. Like, it don't give a bright color as it do on TikTok. But somebody said that, so yeah. But right here, I'm just putting on my mascara, making sure my bottom lashes pop out a little bit. And yeah, y'all reached the end of the video. I hope y'all I showed y'all my outfit at the end and the perfume I was wearing. But trust, thank you so much for tuning in, y'all. Please let me know what y'all want to see down below. Like I said, y'all, please don't be scared to comment. Like, I promise I don't bite. And I talk back to everybody. I'm not stuck up. Like, I comment back to everybody. I respond to everybody, even though my mama be in my comments the most, because obviously she my biggest supporter. But trust, y'all, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Trust, it's a real girl. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. I know it was kind of short, but trust.